Yeah, that's true. I'm gonna start trading online. No, man, I'm serious about this. I'm not planning to sleep. You know, trading is 24/7. So what? I wrote a book about trading myself. Don't you think it's high time I start trading? Yeah, I'm pretty realistic about the whole thing. Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. What you just heard are trading myths. In this video, we will debunk some of the most popular ones. Let's go.
Hey, sorry? No, I'm good. Thanks a lot. I had some food yesterday. You know, I'm trading. It's 24/7. Yeah, it's all right. Thanks. Yeah. Uptrade.
Some people think that trading means eating, sleeping, and dying in front of screens. That's not trading, that's obsession. And you don't need that to trade well. In fact, you need the opposite. Schedule your daily and weekly trading session time and stick to it. Integrate that into your life, because you can only trade well if you eat, sleep, and rest.
So what do I have here? Okay, so if the current trend has parabolic trajectory, then I'll have to factor in 12 elements. Take the third one, which according to Planck theory is the fifth standard diffusion, which is equal to the square root of 13. That's right.
Many think you need to be a wizard to enter the world of trading. Wrong. It's not rocket science, and you don't have to be a saver. A successful trader only needs to be disciplined, patient, and conscious of their own decisions.
So should I invest 2 or 3 million? Let's see. 2 is good, but may not be enough. Even 3 may not be enough. 4 should be good, though. Yeah, let's go with $4 million.
Many traders believe that a sizable deposit is required to start trading. That's not the case. You can deposit $10 and start opening $1 trades, and that can be more than enough to start learning online trading.
Okay, so should I open an up trade or a down trade? Heads or tails? Let's see. Tails, great, it's an up trade.
Some traders look at the price chart, see nothing, and conclude that trading is more like gambling. Let's be honest, one's inability to find trends doesn't mean that the market is a casino, because it's not. There are trends. There are things to understand about the market and the economy that will help you make informed decisions and forecast where the price will go. So trading is about making informed decisions based on your analysis of financial reports, economic news, and charts.
Right, so what do we have here? Stocks, commodities, currencies? What's the difference anyway? Because I have my favorite strategy.
A set of factors that influences price movement of trading instruments is similar for different market sectors, but it's not exactly the same. Otherwise, prices of all assets would follow identical trajectories, which just doesn't happen. So you can't expect one good strategy to fit all trading instruments and market sectors. To be effective, your trading approach needs to be sector and instrument specific. We've just debunked a few popular trading myths, but there are many more. Can you think of more trading myths? Maybe you've had to face some of them yourself. Share in the comment section. In the meantime, we will get to work on making more interesting videos like this. See you!